This video introduces the dual LED battery charging indicator circuit. This simple and reliable design manages lithium-ion battery charging safely, ensuring component longevity. Users require clear status updates. Ambiguity frustrates consumers, so users need clear signals. This circuit provides instant visual feedback. A red light means charging, and a green light means the battery is full. Standard components deliver reliable power. A standard USB charger powers the system, which charges a high-capacity 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery. Direct connections maintain a stable power flow. Built-in components protect the system. The 1N4007 diode protects the circuit from reverse polarity. The 1K resistor limits the electrical current. These critical parts prevent battery damage. Smart visual indicators communicate battery status. The red LED illuminates when the battery is accepting a charge. The green LED activates when the battery reaches full capacity. 3 core pillars create one complete solution. First, power enters the circuit securely. Second, the built-in safety features regulate the current. Third, the dual LEDs display the exact status. Upgrade your products with this proven circuit. Add essential safety features and improve the user experience. Integrate the dual LED circuit into your upcoming prototypes.